All right, S&P, I went short. You guys saw it in the chat. I went short. I want to say it was right here. It was up briefly, and then it tagged out. And then closer, yeah, at this peak I grabbed puts because the puts even were up. They were flirting with the green red. So I am in the 547 puts for this Friday, and I'm just thinking overbought. But right now, bull flag reversal. So let's see. Any kind of pullback like this, pullback this far, I don't know if I'll be up just because of theta, that gap down in the morning I'm going to take. You know, if we wake up right here, I'll probably be slightly up, not up what you'd think. If I get a move like this down here, I'll probably be up. But if I'm in futures, if I'm long, my short's going to be right here, or my stop. If I'm short, my stop's going to be right here. I mean, there's these trades. We talk about no-brainer trades, like 3 brain cells. When you get a move like that, when you see that pennant form or that base, this is why I like the rally, base rally, or the bull pennant, which is that little triangle, that flag pattern. Because you just know where to put your stops. A bull flag is that counter trend. So lower highs, lower lows, you know, like what a downtrend is. You're like, that's bullish. But that's why I like these the best. That's why I really don't like bull flags for that very reason. You got to wait for that top trend to break. But these make it very clear. It takes anyone in any emotional capacity could take this trade. As far as zones go, gosh, hang on. You know what? For now, man, we need to like. I almost want to make that so wide zone. We played the back and forth game there. Let's go here. 15-minute zones on a 4-hour chart. Do you remember my zone, Don? You approved of it? Yeah. Yeah, I was driving, but I thought it did look good. Was it? Where was it at? You had it right here, right? All right, I'm gonna leave those white for now because that's just kind of. Hopefully, you guys understand. Let's see. I don't know what the expected moves are, but we are. I do have a question. Are we? We're not close though, right? We're not out. Yeah, same story with this. You know, I wish I would have went short the NASDAQ. See how this is flat, guys, and then we get the break up? This is a lot of indicators cooling off. When you have this slightly uptrend right here, it's hard. It's so this. Imagine you're sprinting, right? This is you walking to catch your breath. This is you slowing down to a jog to catch your breath. You know, one could tucker out. Now he might be an Olympic runner, as the NASDAQ usually is, but as far as like overbought goes, I think tech might lean a little bit more to the overbought side. Oh, thank you, Steve. Monday expected move. Okay, here we go. 530, 549.42. Ooh, we are almost there. $536.14. Okay, that's we're close. As far as the Qs, 487.35. Okay, yeah. Ooh, You know, sometimes we just go up to that line and then it is a concrete wall. I feel like if we hit that on a Monday, I almost feel like turnaround Tuesday is like a lunchtime turnaround. We get just outside. Maybe Tuesday we get just outside. Wednesday we rein it back in. 471. I'm probably going to take another crack at being short, just because I missed the long play, guys. If I were to catch a dip buy, I would still buy the dip. And just like Cody said, he says it like I do. It's all the time. This is the best part of the stream. And until that red candle is followed by another red candle. I don't know who taught Cody that. But there's almost just no reason to be short. But because we just have just all the green candles, I'm going to try to scalp it. So you see me talk about shorting this. There's a lot of YouTubers right now with a lot of like fear mongering. I'm not like that short. Not that kind of short. It's just going to be a scalp just because I didn't do anything Friday. Today was a joke. Yeah. So I need to get back into the trades. Cody says self-taught, of course. Yeah, the market is closed Wednesday because someone's tired. Why is it closed? Juneteenth? Is that what it is? Is that why? I don't know why the market's closed Wednesday. Juneteenth. Okay. Are fully closed on Wednesday. Now, that's new, right? That just happened last year or the year prior? What is Juneteenth? Gosh, it is a holiday for when, I know I'm going to butcher this. Do you say black people? What do you say? 3 years ago. Yeah, slavery. Yeah, the day slaves were set free. End of slavery, yeah. Yeah, I made a joke, got absolutely roasted about that because when they made it a holiday, when Biden made it a holiday, there was just record heat and everything, and I was talking about the context of the joke was like, oh, now Juneteenth's all of a sudden a holiday because I think there's a meteor going to crash into the earth, or I forget the joke. It was like a don't look up joke because the record heat. Man, and they were lighting up the whole June. They shouldn't joke about Juneteenth. I was like, guys, you clearly missed the joke. Because the way I said now it's a holiday, like Juneteenth happened, when they freed the slaves, but it's just now a holiday because the world was going to blow up. Man, people got real sensitive about it. Yeah, originally celebrated back in 1860s. Good news is, better late than never, right? It's 2021. The 11th annual national holiday on a federal calendar. Okay. Everybody is overly sensitive. They are. I mean, we're not going to get into that, but I'm a big person on context. Like, people just need to chill. All right. Speaking of politicians, did you guys see what is getting voted? Age limits? Yeah, 81. 79 for 6 years, I think. 81 for 2 or 4. Just know that I've been awake for a long time, guys. But I think it's Massachusetts. I'm pretty sure once that passes in that state, it's happening across the board. I'll go over NVIDIA. The politicians and government employees just needed another day off. I wouldn't mind if the market was closed for a week. That's why I can't ever go on vacation because the market's like always open. I really wouldn't mind it. I could take a week off. Age limits for what? Politicians? Yes. Yeah, it was for. You're gonna have to Google it because I'm gonna butcher it. If I want to say it's 81 if it's a 2-year limit. And there's two 81 and 79 were the two numbers you needed to be at before the vote, because you can't exceed 81. There's an age you can't exceed even during your at least let's pretend. I can't pretend the stock market's off. Oh, we're ADDing this up a lot. Take a staycation. Tried. Oh, I wouldn't buy this. We talked about buying it last time I was in this zone, but we hit that lower high. We're back in that zone. If anything, Cody bought that last time. Cody, if you're taking this play right now, I would go short, and I'd put my stop right above this base right here. We lowered age limits once before for voting and drinking during my lifetime. Then we raised it back up some years later. I don't think this one is. So I saw this on the news, and I guess it was a landslide. I bet the age limit thinks I don't think it just sticks. I bet it probably takes off like a wildfire, because I think a lot of people agree. I think the reason it never happened before is because they like their seats. I bet these politicians will change all kinds of rules. Hey, that sounds fair, but they're 1 foot out the door, so it doesn't actually affect them. I think that's the time to sneak in any of those rules. Is right as their dementia's kicking in. 203.06.